Okay, back at Geno's air cooled competition. There's the gears welded up. Right there. Look how nice and smooth they are. Everything. The other one's down here. Almost forgot to show you. And I'm pressing it on. Here. This is how you do this. Might as well show you this, I guess. These are keyed. But I hold it up there and make sure it's in the slots. Make sure it's pressed down the whole way. Take it off. That little plate there. And let me get over here. And we'll put the bearing on here. Put some of that good Super Sport oil in here from DA. Put the other synchronizer on. Slide the gear down. Fits like a glove. And we'll put the thrust washer on. Now that's just where it runs. It ain't wore or nothing. It's fine. So the two gear stacks are done and put together. Now what I got to do is put the gear housing on. We'll be back for more later.